Hello students, today we will be solving a doubt from class 10 biology, heredity and evolution. So here the question says, state and explain Mendel's second law of inheritance. So they are generally asking about the Mendel's second law of inheritance. So law of independent assortment. Independent assortment is generally called Mendel's second law of inheritance. So what this law actually is saying? So Mendel has done monohybrid cross, and on the basis of that he have given law of dominance, law of segregation. Then he have given did dihybrid cross, in which he had taken two characters at a time for a study. So he says the inheritance of one character is independent from the inheritance of other character. There is no mixing. There is independence. When one character is inherited, the other character is independently inherited with it. If we take two characters at a time. So he says this law states that alleles of two different characters or traits segregate or assort independently. In such a way that inheritance of one character is independent of character is independent of another character. So this is Mendel's law of independent assortment, and Mendel explained it. It is based on F2 generation of dihybrid cross. Mendel had done dihybrid cross, and on the basis of that he had given this law of independent assortment. So what about dihybrid cross? What he have generally done in dihybrid cross? He take two characters in dihybrid cross. He take two characters in account. So if we see in dihybrid cross, if parents are with round seeds and yellow seeds, both of them are dominant characters. They are crossed with wrinkled seed and green seeds. So we have taken here two characters at a time. We have taken two characters. One is seed shape, round and wrinkled, and the other is seed color, that is yellow and green. So it is RR, YY, and it is small r, small y. If we say here in F1 generation, there is production of only one kind of individuals like this, which is having this round seeds and yellow seeds. And when we have done selfing, guys, when we have done selfing means we have crossed this hybrid which is heterozygous for both the characters, round seeds and yellow seeds. So what we have done actually, we have self-pollinate that plants, we have done selfing. Then we have seen in F2 generation, there is production of 9:3:3:1. So 9 plants are round and with yellow seeds. 3 plants are round and green. And 3 plants here are wrinkled and yellow. And 1 plant is wrinkled and green. So here we have seen that in this character round seed, it is inherited in its own way without any influence from other character that is of seed color. So round seed, this character of seed shape is inherited independently with the seed color. This is law of independent assortment. It is based on this phenotypic ratio in F2 generation of dihybrid cross. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.